Welcome to this video about the Sun, the closest star to our planet and the center of our solar system. In this video, we will explore the fascinating properties of the Sun, its structure, behavior, and the scientific theories that help us understand this amazing celestial body. We will learn how the Sun produces energy, how its magnetic field drives its activity, and how it influences the Earth and the entire solar system. Inner core theory. According to this theory, the Sun has a dense and hot inner core, with temperatures that can reach 15 million degrees Celsius. This high temperature is responsible for producing most of the Sun's energy through nuclear fusion reactions, where hydrogen atoms fuse to form helium atoms, releasing enormous amounts of energy in the process. This theory is essential to understanding how the Sun works and how it produces energy. Convection theory. The theory of convection is a fundamental concept for understanding the inner workings of the Sun. According to this theory, the energy generated in the Sun's core is transported to the surface through the process of convection. This involves the movement of hot material from the interior of the Sun towards the surface, while cooler material sinks back down towards the core. This process of convection plays a crucial role in regulating the Sun's temperature and energy output, as well as in the formation of sunspots and other phenomena on its surface. Understanding the theory of convection is essential for comprehending the complex and dynamic processes that occur within our closest star. Nuclear fusion theory. The nuclear fusion theory is a key concept in our understanding of how the Sun produces its energy. According to this theory, the Sun's core is primarily composed of hydrogen atoms, which undergo a process of fusion to form helium. During this process, immense amounts of energy are released in the form of light and heat. The energy produced in the Sun's core is then transported to the surface by the process of convection, where it is radiated out into space. Nuclear fusion theory not only explains the energy production of the Sun, but also provides insight into how other stars and even galaxies operate. As scientists continue to study the nuclear fusion theory and its applications, we gain a greater understanding of the fundamental processes that govern the universe. Solar cycle theory. The solar cycle theory is an important concept that explains the cyclical changes in the Sun's activity over time. This cycle is characterized by an 11-year period of varying solar activity, including sunspot formation, flares, and coronal mass ejections. During the peak of the cycle, the Sun's magnetic field becomes more complex and intense, leading to increased solar activity. Conversely, during the minimum of the cycle, solar activity decreases and sunspots become less frequent. Furthermore, the study of solar cycles provides valuable insights into the behavior of other stars and the broader workings of the universe. Sunspot theory. Sunspots are dark, cooler regions on the surface of the Sun that are caused by intense magnetic activity. The sunspot theory explains how these phenomena are formed and how they affect the Sun's overall behavior. According to this theory, sunspots are created by the interaction between the Sun's magnetic field and the plasma that makes up its outer layers. As the magnetic field becomes more complex and concentrated, it creates cooler regions on the surface of the Sun, which appear as sunspots. Sunspots can have a significant impact on the Sun's energy output, as well as on Earth's climate and communication systems. The study of sunspot theory is therefore essential for understanding the complex and dynamic processes that occur within the Sun, and for predicting the effects of solar activity on our planet. Theory of solar radiation. The theory of solar radiation is a fundamental concept in the study of the Sun's energy output. This theory explains how the Sun's energy is produced and how it is radiated out into space. According to the theory of solar radiation, the Sun produces energy through a process of nuclear fusion in its core, where hydrogen atoms are fused together to form helium. This process releases a tremendous amount of energy in the form of light and heat. This energy then travels through the Sun's outer layers and is radiated out into space as solar radiation. Understanding the theory of solar radiation is essential for predicting and understanding the Sun's behavior, as well as for developing new technologies to harness its energy for use on Earth. The study of solar radiation theory is therefore critical for both scientific research and practical applications, such as in the field of renewable energy. Theory of the solar atmosphere. The theory of the solar atmosphere is a key concept in the study of the Sun's outer layers. This theory explains the complex and dynamic processes that occur within the Sun's atmosphere, including the formation of sunspots, solar flares, and coronal mass ejections. According to this theory, the Sun's atmosphere is divided into several layers, each with its own unique characteristics and behaviors. These layers include the photosphere, chromosphere, and corona, and they play a critical role in regulating the sun's energy output and magnetic activity. Furthermore, this theory provides valuable insights into the behavior of other stars and the broader workings of the universe. Solar rotation theory. The solar rotation theory is a fundamental concept in the study of the sun's behavior. This theory explains how the sun's rotation affects its magnetic activity, energy output, and overall behavior. According to this theory, the sun's rotation is not uniform, with different parts of the sun rotating at different speeds. This differential rotation creates a complex and dynamic magnetic field that drives the sun's activity, including the formation of sunspots and other phenomena. Additionally, this theory provides valuable insights into the behavior of other stars and the broader workings of the universe. Theory of the origin of the sun. The theory of the origin of the sun is a fundamental concept in the study of the sun's evolution and development. This theory explains how the sun and the solar system were formed billions of years ago. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the sun, our nearest star and a fascinating subject of scientific study. We encourage you to continue learning about the sun and its mysteries, and to appreciate the beauty and complexity of this celestial body. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to look up and appreciate the wonder of the sun in our sky.